The OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G will launch in India on June 13th. The series is likely to comprise 3 handsets: the OPPO F27, OPPO F27 Pro, and OPPO F27 Pro Plus. OPPO F27 Pro Plus prices are already revealed at Amazon. 8GB plus 128GB, 27,999 Indian rupees. 8GB plus 256GB, 29,999 Indian rupees. The company's upcoming OPPO F27 Pro is also said to be the first smartphone in India to debut with an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. And this is the fast look and hands-on video. And also sharing some live images, the OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G in 2 colors, blue and pink. Both color variants have a leather back. The design of the smartphone in the leaked posters suggests that the OPPO F27 Pro Plus will be similar in appearance to another smartphone launched in China last month, the OPPO A3 Pro. The front features a curved OLED 120Hz refresh rate panel, measuring 6.7-inch display. The OPPO F27 Pro or OPPO F27 Pro Plus could be equipped with a Dimensity 7050 chip, paired with up to 12GB of RAM. The phone has a dual rear camera setup, comprising a 64-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery with support for 67W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.